video I will show you how to delete device in the AQARA Smart Home app. You need to go to on the main screen of the app, you need to go to the My Home, then to the Home Management, tap on the My Home once again and go to the list of all accessories, and there you need to choose the accessory you want to delete. Tap on the three dots, scroll down, and there.
Ready to connect. Please open the AQARA Home app.
And as you can see, we successfully deleted AQARA Hub M2 from the app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.